Welcome back. Just a quick short lesson here. There is just one thing else that I'd like to share about the hue and saturation. I've just come back into the properties box by selecting the layer itself. And let's just look at Colorise. So what I'm going to do is let's delete this mask and reset our colours to get rid of this hideous pink. So we're now looking again at the original image, excuse me. We're looking at the original image. So something else you can do that, is kind of fun and looks really good, particularly for maybe an advert, or some people really like it anyway, just when you've got a bit of a busy looking image, to just give it one colour tone. And that is to click this Colorise button here on the panel. You click that, it's automatically chosen a colour. So the majority of the image was kind of this very coppery tone. So it's actually adjusted it for us and said, well, it picked up the main tone of the image and toned everything to match. And I kind of like that. And you can make your own adjustment if you prefer something different and just play around with your sliders to get that how you want it. So just a very quick little tip there. You've got some power there to change the tone and colour of the whole image, lightness, saturation and hue of everything. And that can be kind of fun. I think that's great for advertising. If you like the picture, but you don't want a lot of business and distraction and you wanted to put some text here or something, that could be really handy. So just a quick little tip there. And in the next lesson, we will be moving on with colouring our black and white image a little bit more and playing with our blend modes. So there you go. That was a short one. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.